Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add new email on your X account. So first of all, launch X application on your mobile devices. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your X account. Now at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it. Once you come over here, go ahead and tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. From here, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you come to Settings page, you'll see the option of Your Account. Simply tap on it. Once you come over here, you'll see Account Information. Tap on it. Now, you'll see the section of Email Address. In order to add a new email, simply tap on the section of email address. Now over here, in order to add a new email, you would have to enter your email address. Now if you wish to, you can also make a check on this box that will allow people who have your email address to find and connect with you on X. After this, tap on the option of Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. With that, you would have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Now, if you open your email, you will be receiving code from X. Simply copy it. Now simply paste the code. Then tap on Verify. With that, you will be able to add a new email on your X account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.